What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to the Midlands Air Festival at Ragley Hall. I haven't been since 2024, I missed out last year sadly, so yeah, I'm going back. I'm only doing 2 days this time, I'm not doing a full weekend, so it won't be the sort of videos that I've done there before. I'm going to try and do some cinematic stuff, I want to try and do some behind the scenes stuff, so we'll sort of see how it all comes together and see what works and what doesn't. Again, I'm trying my new camera, my Canon R5, but then I'm also renting from LensPimp a Canon RF200 800mm lens, which I haven't used before, so it'll be interesting to see how that fares up against the 150-600s that I've had before, and also my 70-200. So yeah, I'm not sure if any of the photos are going to be any good, or whether I even know how to take photos anymore, but we'll give it a go. See ya.
This aircraft is the only MiG-17 flying in Europe.
You're next bad.
Even though they had 223 and the 37mm Canon, same armament as the MiG-15, this was very lethal in afterburner
overseas in Saudi Arabia teaching on the Hawk T165. As Team Sweet Palms, the first part of the show is designed to demonstrate the aircraft flying as one. The team pilots are listening to the cadence of the buzz's mast. As the reverse to the left, on the left-hand side is Flight Attendant Andy McEwen. away from the boss. And as they roll out, you'll note the iconic nod of the shape to Concorde. In our longest shape. Wherever they are in the formation, they're all taking their references from the team leader. Coming around from the front with a splash of colour, this is Blackbird.